Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to teach you how to install nodejs. What is nodejs? Node.js is platform for JavaScript. With Node.js we can programming for desktop, web, backend and another. But now, how to install Node.js? For install Node.js we should first search download node.js and enter. Okay, first of result nodejs.org. I clicked, and now you should select your OS: Windows, Mac OS or Linux, for example Ubuntu, I don't know, and another. Node.js have a speed and security, and Node.js is open source. If you want to download source code, you can download it. Okay, I download Windows installer 64. Okay, I download it and clicked for install. Next, I install it, but okay, first I remove it. Okay, removing file, come on. Okay, again I click it. Next, I accept the cookie and license. Okay, now install node.js to, for example, drive C, D, E or H. Next, install. Okay, yes. And finish. And now I know install node.js. For use the node.js we should use terminal. We can use cmd or terminal of VS Code. I use terminal of VS Code. Okay, if you want to understand the version of your node.js, write npm dash version and enter. Okay, wait, my version of node.js is 8.1.2. okay, what is npm? npm for install package and for node.js. For example, I want to install react.js. I write npm dash g create react app. In this line I write npm dash g create react app. I want to create a react.js app and enter. Okay, npm comments create npm install dash g. First we should install react.js, react app. Okay, and enter. And now it install react.js with node.js and npm. Okay, install it. It's very easy. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, write in the comments and watch the rest of the videos. Goodbye.